Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to display Bible verses and song lyrics while doing your church live streaming using OBS. So here I'm going to show you a web plugin using which you can easily display Bible verses and song lyrics on the go whilst live streaming without any pre-work or homework needed for your live production. So what you have to do now is to open your Google Chrome. In the URL, type in videooverlays.chauka.in/worship and press enter. So this page would come up. You should enter your coupon code here. To get your own coupon code, please click on the link given in the description and do proceed. Now in this page, so whatever theme you want to display at the background of verses, you can select the theme here. For example, I am going with gold theme now. In this enter bottom ticker text page, whatever text you give it here would be at the bottom of your live screen. So I'm giving yeah, and at the below you have an option to select Bible version. So whatever Bible version you're using, you can select it from this drop down box. So I'm selecting King James version here. So if you want to display multiple Bible verses at the bottom with multiple languages, you can select that optional language here. I'm going with Telugu New King James Version. And if you come down, scroll down, you can also select the color theme here. So whatever theme you have selected at the top, you can give the outline colors to that theme by selecting the colors here. I'm going with yellow and black outline, and you should click on the get links button. So after clicking on the get links, you will get the links here. Click on the copy link tab here. Now come back to your OBS. So in the scenes you will have sources here. So the primary source would be your camera background here, and on that camera background, to display your verses, you have to add this browser input. Select the browser. I'm gonna name it as worship and click on OK. Now in the URL column, you have to paste the URL which you have copied it from the web browser. The width should be 1920 and the height should be 1080. Now don't touch any of these options here. You should just click on the OK button. Wait for a second. Now you can see the overlay coming up here. So I have given the please subscribe to Major Solutions at the bottom ticker text there. So that is being displayed here. Now if you come back to your Google Chrome, you have this option to open controller with preview tab here. Click on that tab and preview page gets opened. So in the verses, how to display verses here, I'll explain you. First, say in the Bible book, if you take Bible book John, and if you want to display the chapter 2 and verse number 3 there, you just have to press John space 2 column 3 and click on apply. So I've selected two multiple languages, so I'm getting to see both languages being displayed here. Now if you can come back to your OBS, you can see the same thing being displayed here. So if you want, now only third verse is being displayed here. If you want to display the verse from 3 to 10, you just have to put an hyphen here and give number 10 and click on apply. So the verse would come up, it would wait for 4 seconds and would start scrolling. So the scroll speed is equal to the regular reading speed. Now you can see verses from 3 to 10 are being scrolled now. You can also check that in the OBS. And if you want to increase this speed also, that's not an issue. We can change it from the backend. Whatever speed we want to set it, we can set it at the backend. So as in this Bible book John, it's a very simplified name. So I have typed the entire name. First, there are few Bible books which have a bigger name, and it would not be easy while doing live streaming to enter the whole name. So in that case, you don't need to enter the whole name. You just have to give the shortcut of that Bible book. For say example, in the book Zechariah, you don't have to enter the entire name. You just have to enter the first 3 or 4 letters of that book. First, Z is C, and chapter 1 and verse number 2. Click on apply. So even then the verse would come up. So this is for the verses, and if you come down, there is an option to display title and subtitle also. So here the title would be the name of the speaker who is speaking. For say example, Ajay. And subtitle would be his designation, like pastor or associate senior pastor or whatever it may be. I'm giving as pastor, and if I click on apply, it would come up. You can also check that in the OBS. As in the bottom ticker text, you can see the text is small, that's why it's in the center. If this text is bigger, this would be scrolling. So we have seen how to display verses. Now let's see how to display song lyrics on live screen while live streaming using this software. So if you come back to the first page, you have a two-step procedure to add songs here. First, click on the add button in step 1. It asks for song title. So give the title of your song. For example, I am giving it as church song, and click on the save button. Now click on that song in the step 1 and come to the step 2 and click on the add button. A pop-up would come up asking for the lyrics for the song. So you can give the lyrics of the song here. Now for example, I am giving it as, this would be my first line of the lyrics and this would be my second line of the lyrics. So this is one stanza, and if you want another stanza, just press on enter button twice. So you have to give 2 extra lines to differentiate between one stanza and another stanza. So my second stanza would be, I'm giving it as B, and I'll also add one more stanza and click on the save button. So after clicking on the save button, if you come back to the second page here, you can see whatever song you have added in the first page has been come up here. Now to display that, click on the song lyrics, click on that particular song and click on that stanza. That would come up on the screen. You can check that in the OBS. So whatever lyrics are going at the back end, you can just click on that relevant stanza to display that relevant lyrics on the screen. It's a very easy way to do it. And you can check that in the OBS also. So whatever updates you are doing it here in the preview page, whatever you are getting to see it in the preview page would be a real-time thing in the OBS as well. So it's a very easy way of switching between your verses, your title and subtitle, and your song using this software very effectively. And if you don't want to display all of these things, you can just click on the default scene here. So only the bottom text would be displayed here. And if you don't even want to display that bottom ticker text, you can just click on this title and content, which is empty here, so that it would be the screen would be empty. You can check that in the OBS. Yeah. So I hope you must have found this video useful for displaying verses and lyrics while live streaming with very minimal efforts. Kindly subscribe to our channel to get updates on how to effectively live stream your church services, how to accept donations online, and other cool stuff. Thank you.